Kung flagship ang usapan, sobrang loaded itong Vivo X300 Ultra. From display, performance, camera, hanggang battery, halos lahat top tier. Pero worth it ba sa presyo? Let's break it down. Sa display, meron siyang 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, sobrang smooth at sharp, supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, Ultra HDR images, mas buhay ang photos, at meron siyang Armor Glass MOS Level 4 for protection. Sa real life use, perfect for gaming, Netflix at social media. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, at sobrang fluid na scrolling. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 3nm chipset plus Adreno 840 GPU. Meron siyang 12GB or 16GB of RAM with up to 1TB internal storage. Naka Android 16 plus Origin OS 6, ultra fast, walang lag kahit heavy gaming, CODM, Genshin Impact, future proof na future proof. Ito ang pinaka solid na part, ang camera. Meron siyang 200 megapixel main camera with gimbal OIS, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto with OIS, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera with OIS with up to 8K video recording. Meron naman siyang 50 megapixel selfie camera with up to 4K at 60 fps video recording. Grabe, detail at zoom. Kahit malayo ang subject mo, malinaw pa rin. Pang content creator level talaga. Meron siyang 7,000 mAh battery capacity, 100 watt wired fast charging, 40 watt wireless charging, reverse wired plus wireless charging. Kayang tumagal ng 1 to 2 days depende sa usage. Ang bilis pa mag-charge, less waiting time. Meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, IR Blaster, OTG, and USB Type-C. At meron din siyang IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistant. Meaning, premium features all in. Wala ka nang hahanapin. Ang estimated price niya ay around 61,400 pesos. Pwede pa siya magbago pag official release sa Philippines. For a flagship with these specs, competitive na rin siya. Ang Vivo X300 Ultra ay isang all-around flagship beast. Top tier performance, insane camera system, huge battery plus super fast charging, may premium display and build. One of the most powerful smartphones you can get in 2026. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat!